Good morning. In 2021, we are marking 100 years since the nation's collective remembrance traditions were first brought together. The poppy, the 2-minute silence, Armistice Day, the service for the unknown warrior, and the march past the cenotaph are traditions that millions participate in every year.
What is remembrance? Remembrance honours those who serve to defend our democratic freedoms and our way of life. We remember and give thanks to those who help and protect others, both in the past and in the present, and we remember those who were injured or lost their lives as a result. Most remembrance traditions originate from World War I, however, we still remember those who have been affected by more recent conflicts. Remembrance offers hope for a peaceful future.
So, who do we remember? We remember the sacrifice of the armed forces community from Britain and the Commonwealth. We pay tribute to the special contribution of families and of the emergency services, and we acknowledge innocent civilians who have lost their lives in acts of terrorism or conflict.
How do we remember? We commemorate remembrance in many different ways. Here in the UK and across the Commonwealth, we observe a 2-minute silence. You can visit memorials or monuments such as Coventry Cathedral, where some of the ruins have been kept as a memorial to remember those who lost their lives during the Blitz. You can attend military parades, write poems, lay wreaths, and a popular way of remembering is the poppy.
But what is the meaning behind the poppy? During the First World War, the countryside was blasted and bombed and fought over again and again. The landscape turned to fields of mud, bleak and barren where little or nothing could grow. But out of this devastation, the resilient but delicate bright red Flanders poppies grew and flourished in their thousands. It represents all those who lost their lives on active service in all conflicts, from the beginning of the First World War right to the present day. When you purchase a poppy from the Royal British Legion, 100% of the profits go towards supporting the RBL's ongoing work in supporting the armed forces community, both serving and ex-serving personnel and their families.
There are many different types of poppies. These include the purple poppy, which remembers animals who have lost their lives in service. The black poppy, which remembers Black, African and Caribbean contributions to the war effort, and the white poppy, which remembers those who have lost their lives, but focuses on peace and challenges the way we look at war.
Today is Armistice Day, and the whole school will participate in a 2-minute silence at 11 o'clock. However, your acts of remembrance are not limited here. You can donate to the Royal British Legion by buying a poppy. You can have a go at writing your own remembrance poem or visiting memorials. At the end of this video, there'll be a link to another short video that has been produced by the Royal British Legion on how you can remember today. Thank you.